Welcome to the Mystic Realm's real-time live-action Parlor LARPing experience. This short video will demonstrate a combat exchange between two players. The important thing to recognize is that all combat exchanges are between only two players, the attacker and the defender. Even the biggest mass combats always break down into who is attacking and defending at that particular moment.
Combat aggressive.
Combat balanced.
The attacker initiates the combat exchange by saying combat and announcing a posture. The defender replies by saying combat and announcing their posture. With an aggressive posture, the attacker will make 2 attacks and defend with a desperate defense. With a balanced posture, the defender will defend with 1 melee defense and a desperate defense and make 1 attack.
Attack knife, 4.
The attacker announces the attack, consults the app, and then announces their number of successes.
Defend, 2.
The defender consults the app, announces their success, and then roleplays the damage.
Attack knife.
The attacker
4.
makes another attack,
Defend,
and the defender defends. The defender then attacks,
5.
the attacker defends, and the combat exchange is now over.